Hi guys, welcome to this empty studio apartment tour here in Khalifa City. The first thing you will see is the kitchen, and on your right is the bathroom or washroom. It has a bathtub, a shower, toilet, mirror, a wash basin, and this corner you can hang your towel. Moving on, we have this cute kitchen. Yes, as we can see, it's semi-furnished. We have kitchen has drawers and cabinets. And, oh, excuse the cockroach, the unwanted visitor. And on the left, we have the studio itself. Space is enough for a double or queen-sized bed. And you can fit a small couch, a small dining table. Yeah, good for a small family. As we can see, it is semi-furnished too. It has built-in closet. It's good. It's a good size closet. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope we all get to travel more places, feel seasons, and cherish more moments with our family and friends. Bye, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Places, Seasons, and Moments Diaries. Thank you.